I'm Thomas. I'm the CEO of WEZAG. Most of the battery-driven cars have technical problems with their connections. We have a solution for that. The challenge was to develop a smart micro solution to track and to monitor all the data from the damaged car and to help our customers with their problems. The crimping tool will secure a high market acceptance for battery electrical cars nationwide, but especially for the EU. We are an engineering group of roughly 170 people from different nations. With 70 years of experience and more than 300 worldwide IPs, we ramp up our business with this disruptive, historical new project for WEZAG.
Hi, my name is Hubertus and I'm the sales director at WEZAG. With this tool, we will be the first supplier in the world offering a safe cable repair solution for electric cars. Why is this important? Because car manufacturers today focus all their resources in developing new cars and forget on how to repair them later. This will seriously damage the acceptance of electric cars and also hinder the reaching of the CO2 emission targets, which is not an option.
We developed our own software, hardware and sensors. We have a new tool, we have a new solution, we have a cloud, we call it Spot. Our prototype is ready for production.